Assalamualaikum. Grade 1. Take out your Oxford Progressive English book and open your page number 30. Unit number 6, a house. Unit number 6, lesson 1, listen and speak. Look at the picture. Using the words below, ask and questions about each item in the house. For example, where is the bed? It is in the bedroom. Where is the bed? Here, and it is in the bedroom. Okay, look at here. It is kitchen, it is living room, it is bedroom, and it is bathroom. Okay, now where is the pan? Pan is in the kitchen. Where is the bed? Bed is in the bedroom. It is in the bedroom. Where is the tap? It is in the kitchen and in the bathroom. And where is the chair? Chair is it is in the living room. And where is the shower? It is in the bathroom. Where is the stove? It is in the kitchen. Where is the TV? It is in the living room. Yes. And where is the dish? It is in the kitchen. Where is the fridge? Tell me. It is in the kitchen. Okay. Where is the spoon? It is in the kitchen. Where is the lamp? Lamp is in the bedroom. It is in the bedroom. Okay. Where is the door? Where is the door? Here. Look at here. It is in the living room. Okay. Next picture. Where is the phone? Where is the phone? Look at here. It is in the living room. And where is the window? Window is in the bedroom. And where is the knife? It is in the kitchen. Okay, now look at page number 31. Look at page number 31. Unit 6, lesson 2, phonics and words. Read the word below. Match the picture to the word with the O sound. Double O sound. Okay. What is this? What is this? Book. Okay. The word is book, cook, hook, good, looking. These words have O sounds. Okay, now match it with their picture like book. Where is book? Here. Now match it with book. Okay. Cook, hook, good looking. Hook. Where is hook? Here. Okay, now match it with hook. Okay, now next. Moon, spoon, soon, room, school. Okay, moon. The picture of moon is there. Now match it. Spoon here. Now match it. Soon, room and school. Room. The picture of room is here. Now match it like this. Okay, and school. The picture of school is here. Now match it like this. Okay. Now B part, use the word from exercise A in these sentences. O sound in these sentences. She is looking at the moon. The word looking have O sound and the word moon have O sound. Number 1, we go to dash on Monday. We go to school. The word school has O sound. The dash is in the pan. The spoon is in the pan. Spoon, the spoon, it have O sound. He is reading. He is reading a book in which room? In the living room. So in the book and in the room, we have O sound. See, now use the word in your own sentences. D part, sing this song. Hi, diddle, diddle. Hey, diddle, diddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Okay, now take care. Allah Hafiz.